Logistics molds are important components for the production of various plastic products in the logistics industry, such as pallets, reusable containers, and so on. Logistics molds have a high cost-performance ratio and can withstand greater processing pressures and longer processing times. Engineers need to conduct feasibility analyses based on the 3D models or drawings provided by users and offer the best solutions, which include the specific designs of the structural types, the number of cavities, the forms of runners, and the product molding methods of the logistics molds. For example, the crate mold is processed by using high-speed CNC machining technology. It uses a hot runner to accurately control the mold temperature system, providing manufacturers with solutions for efficient production and reducing material waste. The processing and manufacturing of pallet molds mainly adopt the multi-point hot runner injection technology. The mold processing combines CNC machining and wire cutting machining to achieve precision machining. The plastic beer box mold combines high-quality wear-resistant steel with advanced CNC machining, electrical discharge machining (EDM), and deep hole drilling technologies to meet users' needs for being lightweight, waterproof, corrosion-resistant, and rust-proof. According to users' requirements for box production, an appropriate gate injection system is designed, and a complete mold injection system solution is provided for manufacturers. These products have become an indispensable part of life forms such as warehousing and freight transportation. Would you like to learn more about our company's products or services? Welcome to leave messages in the comment area. Your attention, subscription, and consultation are welcome. Get more industry information.